Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. I have got quite a bit of yarn to share with you today. This is yarn that I've purchased from Black Sheep Wools here in Warrington, and they're for a few projects, and I will show you the projects that they're for. The first yarn I want to share with you is Stylecraft Recreate. It's 100% recycled yarn, and it's called Dijon, and this is 100 grams. It's a 3-weight. It's 40% wool, 30% acrylic, 30% polyester, all recycled, 383 yards, and it's made for Stylecraft under license in Turkey. And you know, I do like Stylecraft. I've used it on quite a few blankets. So I've got 4 of these, and these guys are going to be, I'm not sure if you can see, but they've got flecks in them. They've got turquoise and red and black, and this is the yarn I'm going to use for my knit along, my sweater knit along in May. And yeah, so it's a nice 3-weight. So this is the yarn I'm going to use, and I'll tell you all about it. I'm going to do in April, I'm going to do an introduction video, and I'm going to go through sizes and how much yarn you're going to need, and how to measure for your sweater. So yeah, so I've got 4 of them, and they will be ample for me. So I've got 4 of them, so they're already earmarked. And the next yarn I bought is for Fibre Spates Luxury Yarns Vivacious DK. And this is 100% superwash merino wool. It's a DK. There are 251 yards, 230 meters, and this one's called Peacock. Isn't that lovely? Really like that. So you've got teals and purples, and as you know, they're my favourite colours. And where's my magazine? Oh. For Christmas, Rick bought me a subscription, a year's subscription for the knitter, and I just want to show you what I bought this for. It's actually on the front cover, but I need to show you the pattern. So if I can find the pattern, go to the index, Linda. There's some really nice patterns in here. Page 9. Here we are. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this. It's like a tabard that goes over your dresses. You can wear it with your jeans, your leggings. So I bought that. The only thing different that I'm going to do is, guys, I'm not going to put the bobbles on. I don't like the bobbles, but everything else will be the same. I might do something a little bit different round in between each stocking stitch. In between, I might do moss stitch in between that and make it. So I'm going to follow the pattern except for the bubbles, and maybe change, instead of doing pearl, I might do moss stitch between them. I think that will look nice. So that is the yarn for that. And the next, so I've got five of those. I've got 5 of those. There we go. Got 5 of those. And the next one, and I got myself some 4mm DPNs, the Symphony Knit Pro. And then, what's this one? This one is, oh no, it's not out of date. Oh, from my Divine by Kim Hargreaves, I'm going to be doing the Hydra sweater, which I really like. If I can find it, there we go. That's it. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I got bamboo cotton for this. Oops, that's coming away. There we go. Let's just put that up there. So this is by Stylecraft again, and it's so soft. It's a bamboo and cotton blend. There's 100 grams and 250 meters, 273 yards. It's 60% bamboo, 40% cotton, and what else? And this is sea foam. I really like that colour. I think I will suit that colour. So I've got that for that sweater. So that's, and I had to get 9 of these. So I've got 9 of these, and they're so soft, guys. Honest to goodness, they're so soft, so soft. So maybe that'll be a nice. What do you think? So yeah, so soft. And the last yarn I bought, oops, the last yarn I bought is for this sweater out of this magazine. I saw this pattern and I just knew I had to make it. Got some lovely patterns in these knitting magazines, men, for children, really good value. Socks, there's even socks in here. Go to the index in there and you'll find it. That's not the index. So where is it? Oh, it's not in this one. Oh, it's not in that one. Got the wrong magazine, chucks. So that's that one. Got the wrong magazine. There is one in that other magazine that I want to show you. 57. There it is. So the back and the front. So that's the back. Can you see the pattern? And then that's the front. And I have got Parade. It's called Parade, and this is by Cedar Stories, and it's a DK 50 gram, and there are 140 meters, 153 yards, and this is 50%. Hold on, let me just see if I can tell you what it is. I did. Oh, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. Isn't that lovely? Really nice colour. I really like that. So yeah, guys, so that is for that one. What do you think? And then I've got same magazine, Linda. Same magazine. I'm even planning on maybe casting on one of them. Maybe this one. I might cast this one on. And I've got this one from Fibre Spot. Is it? Fibre Spots. So yeah, guys, so that is my little purchase from Black Sheep Wools. I'll put the link to them. They've got a sale and I got 10% off, guys. 10% off my full order, so that was really good. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward. I'm really looking forward to the knit along as well in May, which will start in May. And so we'll do May, we'll do June, July, August, finish it off in September. So by autumn, fall, you will have a nice sweater. It'll be a close fitting sweater, guys. It's not going to be big and bulky and baggy. It's going to be a nice fitted sweater that just sits below your jeans. So yeah, so I really like this colour. I hope you can see all the flecks in it and that. So I'm really excited to make a start on that. But I need to do some planning. I need to do some admin for it. Sort out all the bits and bobs that you need, and So I'm going to do a document so that anybody that's interested can email me, and I can email them the document. So yeah, so I need to sort that out. But today I'm finishing off my muscle burr hat, and I'm finishing off my Christmas Eve socks called Christmas Sweets. So yeah, so I'll be finishing them off. So I hope all is well. I hope you had a lovely holiday period, you know, holiday. Yeah, I hope you had a lovely holiday. Ours was quiet, quite emotional, but I'm doing okay. I'm here. So take care, everybody. Stay safe. More importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, which I do believe is going to be on Sunday, because I've given you an extra video this week, because I'm not going live on Wednesday. So I give you an extra 2 videos this week instead of me going live. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Have you got any plans for casting on? What you're crocheting, what you're knitting? Just let me know in the comments, and let me know what you're working on. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.